Rabbi even asked me that I should give a couple of tips how to enjoy life and not to complain every small thing. My mother, she's very special. She's a big tzedakah. She always told me this kind of stories. I talk every day with her. So she told me very, very interesting stories. That there was a lady. She was laying by the beach with her baby, small baby. She enjoys the baby, and the baby has a nice hat and a nice dress. Then all of a sudden there was coming a wave, blitzling. Suddenly a wave, and she, in the wave, grabbed the baby in the water. She started screaming. But what you could do? Then all of a sudden another wave comes and spit out the baby, and the baby was fine. Just half a minute. Then the lady see that the head is missing. She has a nice head. She starts screaming. She has a head. Where's the head? The stupid person, huh? Hashem gives you a kid. Hashem gives you back a normal kid. And also a story there was a person buys a nice watch, Rolex. How much? $30,000? Does it make sense? $30,000 a watch? I don't know why, but there are people that need this. This make them happy. He comes out from his car, and he didn't look in the mirror, and then a other car comes in and hits the hand. And the Rolex got broken, and he starts to scream. Wow, my watch, my Rolex, what? This is a stupid person, no? Thanks God you are okay. Thanks God nothing happened with your hand. Thanks God you have a kid. Same thing. A person has to get used to danken dem Eibishten, to be thankful to Hashem every day. You get up, thanks Hashem, I'm breathing. Thanks Hashem, I'm walking. Thanks Hashem, I have eyes. Thanks Hashem, a whole day. Thank you Hashem. Thank you Hashem. Then, even that the things not going how you want, but let's take for example last night. I'm going to sleep very very early. I don't know if coming home after school. I'm mama's 9 o'clock. I'm making night. So 1 o'clock my wife wakes me up. It's 3 hours. I'm busy with the baby. Now please, it's enough. Now let's take chances. Maybe. So I was very very ausgemitchet, exhausted. I want to sleep this few hours and then come back in yeshiva. I have to have koich. So I took the baby and I start thank Hashem. Thank I have a baby. Thank I have a health baby. And I'm home with the baby, not in the hospital with the baby. And thank you Hashem for my kids. And I'm asking Hashem, I wanna go back to sleep, please. I don't know what to do. There's a lot of times the baby, you don't know what bothers him. You give him about the, it's not, to me, nothing, Gunji beruhigt him. Nothing calms him down. So what do? The person starts screaming, he starts yelling, he starts cursing. But the person has to thank first Hashem. Hashem, thank you, I have kids, I have healthy kids. Okay, I want to sleep now. The kids don't the kids crying, they don't let me sleep. I'm going to ask Hashem. Marash says a person has to go one time chalapuchas, at least once a month in hospital to be mekayem in the mitzvah from Bikir Choilem. Chitz. Accept the mitzvah what you have from Bikir Choilem. When you are going in the hospital, you see what's going on there. So when you go out, you don't have kashas of Hashem. Thank you, Hashem. I have everything. Leave me healthy, and I'm okay. Because every person has questions. Yeah, why I'm not like them? Why are we suffering? Why we don't have panusa like this person? Why? Every person has a question. Why? So he's saying in Halal Lamu Yomri Agoyim. A goy ask Lamu. Why? There's so much sudas. Why there's so much pain in the world? If you're going in the hospital, you see what's going on there. You're going out. Thank you, Hashem. I don't need nothing. Lass mich noch gesund. Let me stay well. And this is the way how a person should be happy in his life. Then it's. You ask me a question. How I should give tips? We could talk from this hours. This is the most stupid thing. A person is jealous of another person. You don't know what's going on with this other person, with these other guys. There are people that look so great outside, but they don't have a. The life is miserable. Nobody knows this. Nobody knows from them. They see so beautiful. There's a car fully loaded, and there's a house. But what's in the house? What's going inside? From outside, you don't know what's going on people. You don't know. I'm sitting here and I'm listening what's going on. This bucher has this problem. Outside, this bucher is jealous on this boy. This boy is jealous on this boy. And they don't know you're jealous on this boy. This boy, the bucher is fertig, no? You don't have a but outside he sees he's coming, he's going, and it looks like he has something in what to be mekane, no, was to be jealous. It's a narishkeit. It's stupid to look at other person. Rabbi Nusen says there is a world with small. It's a Welt mit weltelig. It's not one. See, there's a world, and I'm in the side. I'm a loser. No, it's a Welt mit weltelig, and every person is has his own Welt, has his own world. There's a Rav Shach. You hear from Rav Shach, the Rishiv in Panovich. He says when you're walking in the street. Let's say in the subway. You stay in the side. You see how much it looks like Serintaros. It's a Serintaros mansion, no? The train opens the door. You see tons of people. It's not people. You see tons of packages from tourists. I think it's Rav Shach. This mansion, pekelig tourists. You see in the street people walking. Coming, going, it's business. A bag and tourists. Bags and tourists walking. Every person. So, a person has to know Hashem gives me this kind of family. Hashem gives me this parents. Hashem gives me this wife, this husband. This is the best what could be for me. Even I'm thinking, why I need this wife and this father, this mother, and this. What's going on? I don't need them. I need a nice, like that. This boy and the boys in yeshiva, they're always jealous of other boys. They goes in the other house and the seats look because when a guest comes, when guest comes, every house is calm, no. So when you going to your friend's house, the parents not to yell at the kids. Like when you are not there, so you think, wow, it's a nice house, and the mother, she talks so nicely. I wish my mother should be like this. When you go out, you don't know what's going on here. You don't go out. My sister asked me, why Only in my sukkah, all the kids are fighting, in the spills the grape juice with the soda. Why in all sukkahs it's so nice? You walk in the street, you see families walking, so nice with the kids. Why in my house they have? So I answered it. When you walk in the street, other people are jealous of you also. You're dressed normal with the kids, but when you are at home, it's like all houses. No, wie sagt man das? You understand what I'm saying? And you see a father comes in shul with the kids. Wow, he has such a nice kids. What's going on before he comes and after he comes? Same thing, even more worse. Ich kann nicht Englisch. Even worse, ärger. Person don't have to look at another person. Hashem gives you this kind of life. This is the best for you. This is my father. This is the best father I could have. Yeah, but it's such a schlepper. This is my father. I'm happy with my father. This is my mother. I'm happy with my mother. But I don't have Chanishka Leben. I don't live a life. You have to. People are thinking that you're walking and you see a nice garden. It's not geschehen für sich allein. You walk in the street, you see their houses that has nice bushes, nice flowers. Wow, so nice. Someone planted. So you could do the same thing on your property, on your land. You don't want to invest. Understand? You want to have a life, you want to be happy, you have to invest in them. The first thing you have to be thankful for Hashem. Every day what's the first thing we do? The first thing, Moida Ani. So the Heilige Balatani says, it's amazing because a person is not allowed to daven before he washed his hands. A person is not allowed to learn before he washed the hands. If you davening without washing the hands, you have to be clean. Yeah, you have to wash your hands. You're coming out from bed. You're coming out from bedroom. You have to wash your hands. You can't start daven. But the Balatani says, Moida Ani, to thank Hashem. This is the first thing. Even you are Tuma, you're not beside it. First thing, thank you Hashem. You wake me up, and I'm still alive. What? You give me back my neshama, my life. Now you are washing your hands. Now I'm starting to do mitzvahs. But this is the first thing. This makes a person happy. Huh? Imagine there's a boy, the Bucher, they're going collecting money for charity. So a lot of times the boys tell me the people people answer. Tell your friend it's not worth it to get married. I'm married. It's not people. It's not so excited. So the Bucherim asked me what to answer. So I told him next time when a person says you, it's not worth it to ask him if he will change to be now a single person. So the boy told me that it was Nateris Avrum and a whole hair, not a Chassidish guy. I told him, I told you, you know the Chusen. Told him in my name, it's not worth it. So he asked him, how old you are? 40, 45. So you will choose better to be now 45 a single person? No. So why you say it? People not thinking, it's not worth it. So why you say it like this? Say thank you Hashem. You give me a wife. Okay, there's issues. The person says there's Lekem midde the Leute miese boy reise. Everything is there's a reim in the Torah. How you call a woman in Lushin Kodesh? Issue. She has issues. Issue. Yes? Okay, there's issues. Okay, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna work in them. Not it's not worth it. Enjoy now these days when you are not married, because now you could make a smach leib. Now you can, now you're gonna have fun. Then it's not fun. What? So let me ask you: you wanna be a single person? No. So why you are so kufi toiva? Why you are kufi toiva? Hashem gives you a wife. Thank you, Hashem. I have a wife. You wake up in the morning, give a look in the bedroom. Your wife is still here? Oh, thank you, Hashem. She didn't run away from me? Thank you, Hashem. She's still here? I have still kids? Thank you, Hashem. No, imagine she leaves you a letter, a note. No, where are you going? Where are you going? What you should do? What's the good thing? You have to look what Hashem gives you. Thank Him. Maybe you should make one time, once a month. Go to the hospital. I going with the boys. I'm going in the home to sing for. You're going out from this room. I'm going with the boy, with the Bukhara. 20 years, 22 years. They are so broke. They want to go. They want a shiddur. They have questions. Why let's go in hospital to make happy. They come out so happy. I'm not broigus on Hashem. I say broigus. I'm not upset that I didn't find my shidduch. Thank you, Hashem. I'm healthy, and this is the important thing, to be healthy. So you have to. Hashem, look there, the boy here in the wheelchair. Yes, Shimon. You know this boy? You see him? Think one minute. Close your eyes and think 1 minute. Imagine I can't stay up. I can't go to the bathroom. This boy, Shimon, is a very big tzaddik. He goes with him in the bathroom to help him. Yeah, come on, man. I see in the summer he sits in the shield and the fleeing. Flies, a fly comes here. No, what you do? Like this. He didn't. He asked, maybe you could take out this fly. And he's happy. He's always smiling. With Hashem, I could move. I could walk, and we are so broke and so upset. And when he's waking up in the morning, can't move. He has to wait. Person has to take me out. Thank you, Hashem. I'm walking. Why I'm so upset? Thank you, Hashem. No, imagine you have to. You can't go in bathroom. Someone has bizyoinus. Someone has to clean me. Someone has to help. It's bizyoinus. He's happy. There is a guy downstairs. He opens the door to bring him in the elevator. The guy told me, I look at this boy and his smile. This made my day. I start thinking why I'm not happy. The guy told me this is my schaskas every day. Simcha, you listening? So now you are upset? Simcha. Okay. Thank you.